one of which is PVR, and the stock is surging after the movie Kalki recorded strong box office collections, becoming the highest grossing film of 2024 in only 3 days. Vamakshi is here with more details. Vamakshi, I'm not sure whether you've seen the movie or not, but a lot of people are definitely watching it.
Well, absolutely, Hormas. I think I will be catching up with the movie later this weekend. Absolutely, it's been a blockbuster weekend for Kalki 2898AD, and it is expected to be a blockbuster trading day for PVR Inox. And that is because, like you rightly pointed out, Kalki has become 2024's highest grossing Indian film in only 3 days. In fact, total net India box office revenue stood at 302 crores as per Nuvama, with the company getting a box office collection of almost 95 crores on the first day itself. In fact, not just Kalki 2898, but there's a strong pipeline of films ahead as well, and this is coming in after 7 lackluster quarters for the entire film industry. In fact, upcoming films include the likes of Sarfira, Pushpa 2, The Rule and Stree 2, which are expected to be released in July and August. Apart from that, Hollywood content is also making a comeback after settlement of writers' strike. We have a couple of films lined up: Despicable Me 4, Fly Me to the Moon, Deadpool and Wolverine, and Transformers 1. So definitely it looks like a strong pipeline going ahead, and this in fact bodes quite well for PVR Inox. But apart from that, there are several other triggers that are lined up. Ad revenue growth is expected to sustain over medium term. In fact, the company says that the ad revenue could reach the pre-COVID absolute level in FY25. They're also taking up several cost control initiatives, and these initiatives could actually bear fruit in the medium term. They are prudent with screen additions. They're also shutting down unprofitable screens. But apart from that, they're also focusing on debt reduction. They're trying to be a net debt-free company. They are directing their free cash flows mainly towards debt repayment. They also have a land parcel worth almost 300 to 400 crores, which they could look to monetize in order to pay down debt. But apart from that, they're also focusing on premiumization of their portfolio. Currently, premium screens account for nearly 14% of their portfolio, and this is expected to rise to 20%. And naturally, premium screens generally have better margins. So this again bodes well for PVR Inox. So overall, it looks like a good setup, not only in the medium term, but also in the long term for the company. But on the back of that, we have a couple of brokerages. Nuvama as well as MK both have a buy rating on this counter. For Nuvama, the target price is 1,995, while for MK, the target price is at 1,650 per share.
Thank you very much for that. Cochin Shipyard in